Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in the charts. Yesterday, Bitcoin had a big pullback in Ethereum. Inflation data came in hot, so it was showing that the inflation is still there. So that means the Fed can't cut interest rates because of the high inflation. And this dropped the market heavily. And on that drop, it came down and activated my trades on Bitcoin and TON. It added more to the trades. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and you can see my account sitting at 938. So I had a pullback, but still yesterday was 972, so quite a big one actually, around 30k. On the week we went from 909 to 972 back to 938, so a bit of a pullback. And you can see on Ethereum we were making new all-time highs, close to a new all-time high on Ethereum. It didn't hit the 4,800, but I gave that guy the prize anyway. But you can see the last time Ethereum, the all-time high on Ethereum was here, 4,000. So we made, I think we did make a new all-time high. The high was 4,866. And yesterday we came to 4,790. So a little bit below all-time high. Then we came down, Ethereum dropped to 4,400. So huge drop there, 10% drop. On that, my trade got affected by that 10%. It was 400 times 50, so it pulled back a little bit to 4,500. I'm going to set a buy on Ethereum. I'll add 10 Ethereum at 4,458. Keep the trade there. TON came down as well yesterday and activated the trade I had set. So if you remember, TON was at $3.60 yesterday, 6% drop, crazy. And I had a trade sitting at $3.30 to add another 50,000 TON. And you can see when that spike happened, it came down and activated my trade. So TON was at $3.60, it came down, hit $3.30, almost exactly where I had my trade set up. Let's go to the minute. You can see on the 3 minutes, it came down and activated my trade at $3.30. Which is beautiful, and it added more into that TON trade. Let's go on the minutely. So you can see it came down. Where was the spike down? There was the spike. It spiked down and activated the trade at $3.30. And then we got a bounce back to currently sitting at $3.40. So we got a little bit of a bounce, $3.40, and that made my TON trade actually higher because now it's 102,000 TON, which is a $343,000 trade. So now I've made $10,000 and it cost me $475. So quite a big trade activated on TON, and then we got that bounce. Same with Bitcoin. Bitcoin spiked down, and I had trade sitting for Bitcoin. If you remember, I had a trade sitting at 117,590. It spiked down, activated my trade, and then we got a bit of a bounce. So it activated at 17,500, and now we're at 18,300. I've set another order now for Bitcoin at 16,500. I had and 14,500. I could add one more order here at 17. Let's do another half of Bitcoin at 17,100. So now I've got orders 17,100. And 117,145, crazy. We used to be at 17K. We used to be at 9K when I was making these videos back in 2020. Bitcoin at 116,514. Then I've got Ethereum 4458. World at 84. World pulled back a lot as well on that drop. You can see here we went from, World was sitting at $1.10. No, World was sitting at $1.10 before that drop, so 11% drop on World. I have more buy orders sitting at, I bought around $1, $1.07, and we went to $1.14, and then it dropped 13% to 98 cents. I have a buy at 84 cents. I could move that buy up here. Let's check out where I have this buy. So on World, I have 84 cents for 23,000 Ethereum. So add another 20,000. I'll keep that trade in case there's a spike, and I'll add another 10,000 to where we came down to that low today. So here, I'll add another 10,000 here. $10,000 world. $10,000 world. Is this spot? Yep. Oh, not at market. I want to do it at the limit. So I'm going to buy 10,000. I'll put it here. Buy 10,000 world. It's not putting it on the limit. Weird. Here, $10,000. $10,000 worth of world. At 98 cents. Currently, we're at $1.04. So I've got 10,000 world to buy there, and at 84 cents. I'll get rid of this 84 cents one. Uni, I've got at $9.70. I've got $9.70 and $8.60 and $6.70. We came down $9.70. We'll buy 2,000 world, which is $20,000 of uni. Yesterday we came down at $9.70. I'll keep that trade. Yesterday we came down to $10.50. My average buy is $11. It pushed up my average buy now after that drop. So that trade would be a little bit down. So that's my trade on TON, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Bitcoin getting a bounce right now from where I activated that trade. 18,500. The low was 17,100. So those are my trades. Ethereum took the most hit on that drop. And the altcoins. That's my updates in the market. Join us in the Telegram. There's 191 of you online in the Telegram right now. You just saw the moderators cleaning up spam. This is one of the highest moderated crypto chats, and a lot of amazing people. Ethereum long at 4550. We're sitting there right now. I've got my long set, what you just saw, at 4458. So at the low. So I would do it at 4458. $100 lower if there's a spike down, as you saw, because then my spikes come down and activate. And I gave that 1K to 110,100 followers. And you can see Shiraz James Shafraz, the guy chose yesterday. James, I received your 1K USDT reward. Thank you. Even though ETH didn't hit 4,800, kind heart still kept your promise, and by God's grace, I was lucky winner from day one with your courses. You've been my crypto mentor. I'm forever grateful. May God bless you. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Shiraz. TON came down and activated at another 50,000 TON on that spike down. Same as my Bitcoin trade. Both line touches. Perfect touch on the lines, which is amazing. That's my updates in the market, everyone. All the links are down below. Right now, there's the WSOT World Series of Trading on Bybit. The link is down below. You can join my squad. $10 million prize pool. Compete for $10 million prize pool. The links are down below. Bybit 60K bonus, and that WSOT starting soon. Join the squad. WeX KYC free $200 bonus just for signing up. And they also have a competition right now to win a Bentley and $2 million. So they have a trading competition right now, which is beautiful. That's my updates in the market. Those are it spiked down, activated my Bitcoin trade, added another 50,000 TON. So I doubled my position on TON. It's nearly now $400,000 trade. I added more on Bitcoin, half of Bitcoin. I've got more buy orders set down. And Ethereum, I set some buy orders. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. If you have any questions or you want to know me to analyze any tickers, comment down below. If you make money from me, I want you to hire social media marketers, push messages of peace and anti-war, and protect nature, protect the trees. Hope you have a beautiful day, everyone. Learn from me. If you're skeptical, watch my videos, try to understand what I'm doing for free, and learn. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.